Brothers and sisters, as I continue analyzing Donald Trump's erratic policy he is implementing, for me as analyst and someone who has been following up these issues since he started implementing these strategic measures, is that current erratic policies that have been implemented, they are undermining what I call the erosion of the trust in U.S. institutions. What I mean is that unpredictable governance is creating uncertainty in the U.S. economy and the legal system. They might not like it, but it is happening. Number two, global investors and allies are fearing that the U.S. decision on trade, on regulation, and security can shift drastically based on these Donald Trump's decisions, and this reduces the confidence in the rule of law and the policy continuity. That's number one. Number two, erratic policies implemented by Trump are causing what I can call trade war fallout. We see China and the UK largely driven by Trump's unilateral tariffs escalation, introducing instability in the global market, which means companies and governments worldwide are seeing United States are less reliable in trade partners or trade partnership. Thirdly, tariff on allies like EU, Canada further strain economic relations, are damaging the US brand and the predictable trade partners. Number three, caused by the erratic Donald Trump's policy, is dollar and treasury in America is at risk. One, the US dollar and treasury bonds are traditionally seen as a well-surfaced asset. Two, Trump's repeatedly threat the default of US debts undermine the global perception of US bond as a risk-free. And third, this could lead to long-term investors to drive away from the US assets. Number four, impact caused by the Donald Trump's erratic policy is attack on the Federal Reserve. Those who have been following closely will agree with me. Trump's public criticisms and pressure on Feds to cut rates or change policy of political purpose is undermining independency and credibility of the Federal Reserve. And for global investors, well, a political central bank equal to less stable economy environment, which is equal to riskier investment in US equities or bonds. Number five, instability in foreign policy. Many might not like it, but suddenly withdraw from international agreements, for example, Iraq, nuclear deals, Paris climate change or climate accord, is making US appear unreliable in global diplomacy. Number two, the volatility spillover into markets with sectors like energy, defense, and tech facing heightened geopolitical risk. And US companies operating abroad are seen as an extension of an unpredictable government, which leading to the regulatory black of some regions. Number six, January 6 and the political risks. Well, for America, the Capitol riots and Trump's role in contesting democracy outcome cast shadow over the American political stability, and we believe America is the key leader in this. Political unrest raises sovereignty risk concerns, something previously reserved for emerging markets, not in the US. We used not to see US in such kind of a situation. Number seven and last one, erratic Trump's decisions on tech and trade uncertainty, meaning Trump's targeted companies like TikTok and Huawei with abrupt bans and threats, making global business cautious, which is not good for America. Investors now are seeing American policy towards tech and IPs as a volatile, and this undermines the appeal of American high-tech in cross-border deals. So in brief, what I can say is that trade behavior and reputational impact for the America is huge. The US assets remain relatively strong due to size and legacy. Repeat shocks from erratic policy chips away at the premium investors are willing to pay, making the US less attractive compared to more stable alternative, especially in a multipolar, or what I may call a multipolar world. Dear brothers and sisters, things are keeping evolving. America will not be the same, and we should expect more from erratic policies that have been implemented. How we will be affected? Stay tuned. I'll come back with some proposition. Thank you and good evening.